Good afternoon, everybody. We're here at the Maserati collection, which is the perfect location to explain our new venture. I've always been passionate about Maserati since I was a little boy. Started at 4 years of age when my father brought Maserati brochures home, and at 11 when he took me for a ride in Indy. That ride on the Autobahn in Germany definitely started my passion. There's a perception that it is not enough workshops to take care of these cars, that there's not enough specialists, not enough expertise. This new venture is a book about the best classic Maserati restoration workshops in Europe. And we're going to take you on a grand tour of all these workshops. They will share with us their knowledge, their experience, their craft, and one day what they could do on your Maserati project. So voila, please follow us. We're about to start, and we'll see you next time in the next episode. Bye-bye.